All right.
I got a ratchet. Is it just a bolt up you can do real quick?
Oh, let's see. It is supposed to be a bolt on, but I don't know where it came off. That's
right there. And right there.
Goes right there.
Shit. See them clamps somewhere.
What the hell? That shit is so hot. Why in the hell did my pipe come off, dude? Oh, fuck. I ruined my whole little day.
Yes, yeah, it's alright, man. Yeah. Oh, shit.
Yeah, but it's too hot. I should probably look that out.
Yeah, I raced most of my life.
Oh, really? So you know about the dirt bikes and stuff?
Yeah, a little bit. Enough to get me in trouble, that's about it.
Same here, as you can see.
It's a clean ass bike, man. You just get her.
Literally yesterday.
Keep it clean.
Nah, I just got it yesterday, to be honest with you.
Hell yeah.
It seemed like I might have to go to my friend and have him push hers in. Cause you can see that's like what but I definitely don't think I should. I might just push it home. What you think?
Yeah, I would.
I know it's not too far. That definitely wasn't supposed to come out though.
Hell no.
What the heck? Damn.
Alright, well that at least get you where you don't have to hold that hot son of a bitch.
Damn.
Yeah, dude, it looks like you're supposed to have a little pipe clamp or something right there.
Yeah, I don't know if it came off or if it wasn't there. I don't know. But I'm gonna go home and check things out. Shit's
yeah.
crazy.
And all that damn popping wheelies putting too much torque on that.
That just showed me what's up, huh?
I was looking forward to it, man. Tell us, oh shit, here you go.
Hey, right? I was just about to hit it too. What the fuck, man? Hey, you ever go, bro? I'm out here doing wheelies. Look, my pipe or the silencer literally came off as I went to hit a wheelie, bro. That is insane. Now I'm having to freaking walk the bike home. Dude, what, like, what in the hell? I literally thought the bike, like, something happened. I was probably so mad, like, what the fuck? Bro, what in the heck? My freaking header came off the bike just as I was about to go hit a wheelie. Now I'm walking the bike home. The hill's done, so now I gotta like literally get off and start walking. I don't really know what happened. I'm pretty sure a clamp was there, but like I said, I'm not really sure what happened. But basically, this popped off, and typically I'm pretty sure there's like a clamp right here or something, but I can't confirm if there was one like before or not because I just don't remember. But one thing I'm happy about is that this bad boy like didn't break, crack, or anything. At least that I didn't see at first glance. God dog, man. Check it out. Today we got a 4-wheeler outside, and what we're gonna do is actually ride this boy, but with a female today. So today's gonna be a little different and a lot of fun. But the reason being, because unfortunately, as you saw, my muffler pipe or whatever it's called, unfortunately fell off the bike when I went to go hit a wheelie. But my boy O'Shea did come through and get me back right. Now, unfortunately, I didn't vlog the situation of him basically fixing things, but the issue was that I don't believe a spring was where it needs to be, so I'm needing to order some springs. But he did rig it up to the point where it's back right, and I actually can't ride right now. But yeah, so like I said, I got a female coming through, so we switched it up from the dirt bike today to the 4-wheeler, so we can have a little bit more room and a little bit more fun, man. So that being said, let's get into today's video, and make sure you subscribe, and let's get into it. Actually out here gathering up because we're about to actually go on nice little simple ride off for today. I actually got my friend out here who actually is on the pole, as you can see. She's trying to find the right angle and get it right. But man, check her out, man. So look, how you enjoying the ride so far?
It was fun. It wasn't bad.
All right. So y'all see us out here getting started, man. We're about to have a lot of fun today. She might even learn how to ride the 4-wheeler today. What y'all think? Drop some comments. Let me know. Do you think she's gonna be able to know how to ride the 4-wheeler after we ride today? How confident you feel?
from 1 to 10, a 9.
Damn, that shit high as hell.
Cause it's not hard.
All right, bro. She low-key trying the little TRX Honda out here, man. But I like her confidence, so we're gonna make it happen. All right, gang. So I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. But before we continue this video, I want to let you guys know what you're actually about to see. Now, what you're actually about to see is one of the sickest dudes in Orlando on a bike do his thing on a big boy 450. Not only that, I'm actually gonna let the whole clip play out because, man, you just gotta appreciate this man's work. And bro, when you see this clip, you'll see what I'm talking about. Why I let the whole clip play, because dude, bro is too sick. I even look up to him. But I'm not gonna continue this talk. We're just gonna let this clip play and basically continue this video. But yeah, man, make sure you drop a comment, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe, man. But yeah, man, let's get into this clip. What's shit? Outside for real today, man. As y'all see, we out here having a lot of fun. My hat flying back because I ain't got the helmet today, but unfortunately, yeah, we out here lit. So we at the gas station right now. Actually about to gas up. And man, Jesus. All right, so after seeing my boy Mike do his thing on the dirt bike for that long, how you feel?
That's crazy.
Literally. So man, I actually think it's time to let her hop on the bike and let her drive. All right, man, y'all see us out here, bro. down before you. All right, now go. Yo, so we just went on a crazy drive, but that's my opinion. Let me see what she thinks. So how do you feel?
It was really crazy.
But look, guess what?
And now we're in the middle of like nowhere.
This is why I actually be practicing how to wheelie and stuff. But how does it feel to actually know how to drive by yourself?
Good.
Oh, wait. The truth is, I'm off the bike now. Let's see what you do by yourself. Oh my, like do it, feel it. Oh my God, we about to have her out here dancing on the bike, bro. That is insane. So check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. As you already know, I'm trying to get to 10K subscribers, so help me get there, man. But yeah, if you basically watched the whole video, man, I truly appreciate you. Also, stay tuned for the next video so you can actually see me teach my friend how to ride a foiler. I definitely think you guys are gonna enjoy that one. But yeah, man, stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and stay lit. Oh shit.